What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to name this organic compound. So as you see here we have benzene or phenyl group, and here we have alkyl group, and they're connected by an oxygen atom. So since we have alkyl group and alkyl group connects by oxygen atom, we can say that this is ether. This compound is ether. So let's say how to name this. First thing we can do, here we have ethyl group and here we have benzene, so it is phenyl group, so we can call it ethyl phenyl ether, and E has to come before P, alphabetic order. Another one we can call it IUPAC name. So this one is the biggest alkyl group, so we call it benzene. And here we have one ethoxy benzene. That's the IUPAC name. Or you can simply call it ethoxy benzene. So these are two different possible names for this compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please like this video. You can also subscribe to this channel to have access to many different other videos regarding math and science. Thank you for watching and have a great day.